Understanding Hard Rock Bet's Refer a Friend program, how to invite and earn on Hard Rock Bet. Now, by the way, if you don't know, then Hard Rock Bet also offers a Refer a Friend policy where both of you can bet and then earn some amount of bonuses. Now, if we go over here, you can see you can earn $50 for every friend you refer. Through the Hard Rock Bet referral program, users can earn a $50 bonus bet for each friend who signs up using their referral link. And to qualify, your friend's wager must have odds of -250 or longer, and the bonus expires after 7 days. With the ability to refer up to 20 friends, this is one of the top referral bonuses in the sportsbook market for 2025, allowing you to rack up significant rewards just by bringing friends on board. Now, to get your referral link, you can just go to app.hardrock.bet and log into your account by clicking the login option. After you do that, you can go to your account page and there you'll find your referral link. You can send the referral link to anybody, and if they sign up using your link, both of you will get some amount of bonuses. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.